Good morning, boys and girls, or good afternoon or good evening, whenever you are completing this assignment. Today is Wednesday, August 26th, 2020. And I hope you're having a great day. I hope it's beautiful. I hope you're relaxed and calm and ready to go. And let's dive into getting to know you guys. Okay, so yesterday I taught you guys how to do the roller coaster for a breathing technique. Today I'm going to show you the balloon. So I've got to roll back in my chair so you can see me. All right, so you start off with a circle, and then you're just going to, every time you move your hands up, you're going to take a deep breath in. Okay, so let's do it with me. Breathe, breathe, breathe. Deflate your balloon. Let's do it again. Breathe, breathe, breathe. And out, deflate your balloon. Oh, yes, I feel good. Remember, Miss Winston is big on posture because that helps keep us healthy and have a great activity. All right, so just like yesterday, Tuesday, we start off with our what, how, and why. Remember, I really want you reading these slides if you can, because that enhances your academic vocabulary. But like I said, if you struggle like Miss Winston, not a worry in the world. You can always click on the speaker. Remember, the speaker will be here on every slide. Okay, let's go ahead and get started, and let's allow our speaker to read our what, how, and why. Wednesday, August 26th, 2020. Our what? Complete your All About Me presentation. Be creative. How are you going to do this? Follow the directions on each slide to tell us a little about yourself. Fill in the text boxes when asked. Drag the bar to complete the bar graph. Why? I love to get to know all of my scholars because you are amazing, and this is the start of our second grade BTW family. Remember, guys, we can do hard things. We can definitely do hard things. All right, so let's click off. We know we are completing our All About Me presentation. I want you to be creative. Remember, Miss Winston does not have her teacher iPad yet, so your screen may look a little different, but it should be very similar. And just like yesterday, I said I have full faith and confidence in you that you can complete this thoroughly and the right way. So let's go ahead and move on to slide 2. And if you notice today, the picture of me is actually in color. Miss Tatro let me use her computer because my computer does not allow me to video myself in color. But I thought it was important that you could see me and get to know me and all of those great things. So here's slide number 2, and I'm going to read it myself because I want to become a better reader. So it states, I wish my teacher knew. Remember, Miss Winston always already has the text boxes provided for you in every slide, and if you accidentally delete it, like I will delete it again, no big deal, delete. We're going to hover over the T, click it, and draw our text box. All right, so the first one says, how I feel about school. So Miss Winston loves school. So I'm going to say, I love school. I love to meet new, oh, that's not the right new. I'm glad I caught myself. New friends. I love learning. And that's how I feel about school. The next two say how I feel about myself and then how I feel about my home. Remember, Miss Winston has a 15-minute time limit on every video, so I'm not going to complete these 2 text boxes, but you have to complete them, okay? I really want to get to know you. I want to know how you feel about yourself. I want to know how you feel about your home, because that's going to help me generate lessons, and that's going to help our classroom culture, and it's going to help us have a really great year. So let's go ahead and move on to slide number 3. Okay, so my family. On this one, you know, I might be a little tired. It might be the evening. My parents probably worked all day, so I'm just going to allow the speaker to read it for me. Remember, click it and press play. My family. My family is special because family awards. Who's the funniest in your family? Who's the loudest in your family? Who is the kindest in your family? Who is the oldest in your family? Who is the youngest in your family? And last one, who is the tallest in your family? All right, so this is all about your family. And the first one, my family is special because I'm going to click where it says type here. The text box is going to pop up. Then I'm going to click inside the box. Oh, Miss Winston deleted it. No big deal. Hover over the T, click on it, draw my text box out, and let's start typing. So why is Miss Winston's family special to her? My family is everything I have. They have my back in tough situations. They are always there for me. My family buys me gifts on my birthday. I could not live without my family. I love my family. I have a really great family. I have 2 brothers, one older and one younger. And look, as I'm doing this, I am dragging it out just to format it. And remember, Miss Winston is getting older, so her eyes are not too good. I'm going to scroll all the way up, or not scroll, I'm sorry. I'm going to use my cursor to go to the top and press the plus sign so I can see it. And as it gets larger, I'm going to move up my text box, and I'm going to keep doing that, And maybe I want this one bold because I put a lot of words. So I highlight the whole thing and I press the B. There we go. I love that. And I can even make that a little larger. Let's make it 20. I love that. Okay, and then you're going to come down to family awards. Okay, remember all of the text boxes are there for you. So who's the funniest in my family? I click on it, delete, type here, and I believe my dad is the funniest. And I want you to give me, if you pick your dad, your brother, your aunt, your uncle, your sister, maybe as a friend. Maybe your friends are your family. And that's awesome because this is our BTW family, so it could be anyone in this classroom. But I also want to know their name. So it's my dad, and his name is Randall. Okay, I click off. Who's the loudest in my family? Click on my text box that's already provided. Backspace. And who is the loudest? I hope they don't get mad at me. It's okay. I'm being honest. So I think it's my opinion. It's not a fact. So an opinion is what I think. I think it's my mom. Growing up, when we would get in trouble, my mom used to get really loud. And her name is Melissa. Okay? And then I am not going to complete this slide, but you need to go through it and complete who is the kindest, who is the oldest, who is the youngest, and who is the tallest. Remember, I have all the confidence in you. All right, let's move on to slide number 4. Here's slide number 4. And let's let the speaker read it to us this time. So I'm going to go to my speaker, hover over it, press play. Let's graph about it. On a scale from 0 to 10, how much do you like reading? How much do you like writing? How much do you like math? How much do you like science? How much do you like social studies? How much do you like art? How much do you like music? How much do you like technology? How much do you like sports? So you're going to drag the bar with your mouse to make it longer or shorter. Following the graphing activity, you're going to pick two of those different subjects, and the first line reads in the yellow circular block, I like blank the most because, I like blank the least because. All right, so I got it, and on a scale from 0 to 10, it says right here in blue, drag the bar with your mouse to make it longer. So here's my mouse cursor, and I'm just gonna drag it. Uh-oh, that didn't work. What should I do? There we go. Did y'all see what I did? The arrow needs to be on this side, not on the whole thing, and I'm gonna drag. And remember, Miss Swinson's not the best reader, so I'm going to put about a 3. And you need to do all of these, please. And Miss Swinson loves math, so I will do another one. And I'm going to drag it all the way, but remember, I got to stay within the graph to 10, because I love math. Then I'm going to come to the bottom and complete the sentence, and remember, the text box is already provided. So I like math the most because it makes me happy. And then you got to do the second one, but remember, I am at 11 minutes, so I have to move on. Just tell me which one you like the least, and please drag the bar on all subjects. So here's the last slide, and these are academic goals. Guys, your goals can be whatever you would like. They can be in reading, they can be in writing, they can be in science, they can be in social studies, they can be in math. They can be in all of those together. There's no wrong way to do this, okay? So remember, you can click on your speaker, but I already know it's pretty self-explanatory, my academic goals. So one academic goal I could have, I'm going to type here where the text box is provided, backspace. And what is one academic goal Miss Swinson could have? So I'm going to say, I would love to learn how to multiply in 2nd grade. And y'all see how the text box makes it wrap like that? All I have to do is drag it, just like the bar graph one, to make it longer. I would love to learn how to multiply in 2nd grade. And so, when do I want to have this complete? I would say, I don't know if I want to have it complete by Christmas or the spring, but definitely by the end of the year. So I'm just going to say end of the year. All right, and click off. And remember, you have to come up with 3 goals, and I just did 1 because I'm about to run out of time. Then you're going to complete it with the reflection. And I deleted my text box again, no worries. Hover over the T for text box, draw my text box, and my reflection could say, it could even be something like, I can't wait to meet all of my academic goals. That's a reflection. Or you could pick one and tell me why it's your favorite, or you could pick one that you really feel like you're going to struggle with, so I know as a teacher how I can help you and how I can serve you and how I can support you. And that is our Wednesday activity for the day. Please, please, please fill out each slide thoroughly. Thoroughly means all the way, completely. Please hop on to our virtual office hours. Remember, those start in the morning and in the afternoon. I want to see your faces, just like you get to see my little bitty face at the bottom of this page. And remember, guys, you know I love y'all. I'm here for you. I want to hear from you. I want to get to know you. And I want to have the best year yet. Okay? All right, y'all have a wonderful, wonderful day. Take care, and I will see you guys tomorrow on Thursday. All of the love. Bye, guys.